Are you tired of hiding those stubborn dimples on your thighs and buttocks? What if I told you that the secret to smoother skin might be hiding in your kitchen cupboard? Today, we're diving into the powerful world of lemongrass oil and its potential to combat cellulite. Stay tuned to discover how this natural remedy could revolutionize your skincare routine. Introduction. Hey there, natural health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy. And today we're tackling a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: cellulite. But don't worry, we've got a fragrant and effective solution that might just change the game for you. Main points. 1. What is lemongrass oil? Lemongrass oil is an essential oil derived from the leaves and stalks of the lemongrass plant. It's known for its fresh, citrusy scent and numerous health benefits. But today, we're focusing on its potential to help reduce the appearance of cellulite. 2. How does lemongrass oil work on cellulite? 1. Improves circulation. Lemongrass oil stimulates blood flow, which can help break down fatty deposits. 2. Detoxification. It aids in flushing out toxins that contribute to cellulite formation. 3. Diuretic properties. Helps reduce water retention, which can make cellulite less noticeable. 4. Anti-inflammatory. Reduces inflammation in fat cells, potentially smoothing out dimpled skin. 3. DIY lemongrass oil remedies for cellulite. A. Lemongrass massage oil. Ingredients. 1. 10 drops of lemongrass essential oil. 2. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. 3. 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Instructions. 1. Mix all ingredients in a small glass bottle. 2. Massage the affected areas in circular motions for 5–10 minutes. 3. Use twice daily for best results. B. Lemongrass coffee scrub. Ingredients. 1. 1/2 cup ground coffee. 2. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 3. 1/4 cup coconut oil. 4. 10 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Instructions. 1. Mix all ingredients in a bowl until well combined. 2. In the shower, apply the scrub to damp skin, focusing on cellulite-prone areas. 3. Massage in circular motions for 3–5 minutes. 4. Rinse off with warm water. 5. Use 2–3 times a week. C. Lemongrass detox bath. Ingredients. 1. 10 drops of lemongrass essential oil. 2. 1 cup Epsom salt. 3. 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. Instructions. 1. Fill your bathtub with warm water. 2. Add all ingredients to the water and mix well. 3. Soak in the bath for 20–30 minutes. 4. Gently massage cellulite-prone areas while in the bath. 5. Enjoy this detoxifying bath once a week. 4. Tips for maximizing results. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods and reduce processed food intake. 3. Exercise regularly. Incorporate both cardio and strength training. 4. Be consistent. Use these remedies regularly for at least 4–6 weeks to see results. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. 3 powerful ways to harness the cellulite-fighting potential of lemongrass oil. Remember, while these natural remedies can help, they work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Be patient and consistent, and you might just see those dimples start to fade away. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Natural Home Remedy for more natural health tips and tricks. Have you tried lemongrass oil for cellulite before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and naturally beautiful.